Do you think you need to be some sort of designer to start selling digital products? If the answer is yes, I'm here to tell you you don't at all. Some of my best sellers that were made in Canva, they were made in under 2 hours with zero design skills. And if you're sitting there thinking, yeah, but mine won't look good enough, I promise you what I'm about to show you is going to change your mind. By the end of this video, you're going to have 8 product ideas you can literally start creating today. Plus, I'm giving you little cheat codes to actually get them selling faster and for more money. And before we dive in, if you want 500 plus profitable product ideas so you can never again have to stare at a blank canvas screen wondering what do I even make, grab my free guide, links in the description. This is the same list that I give to my students in my program so they never run out of ideas. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Karen and I help beginners turn simple digital products into consistent income without needing to be a tech wizard or spending months getting ready. So here's the thing, people don't buy design, they buy solutions. If your product solves a problem for a very specific person, you can keep the design dead simple and it will still sell like hotcakes. So let's get into the 8 easiest digital products you can make, even if Canva intimidates you, and I'll tell you how to actually price and package them so they sell. The first one in our list is printable planners. Planners are evergreen, they never go out of style. The trick here is don't make them generic, like a daily planner. Instead, niche it down. For example, wedding planner timeline and vendor checklist, or a social media planner for busy Etsy sellers, or a fitness tracker for new moms. You see how those are very specific planners? Now, the way that you can make these planners faster is to search on Canva for planner, grab a template you like, and you can mix and match different pages, change the colors, the fonts, the headings, match your specific niche. Add also sections that actually make their life easier. That right there is going to help you create planners a lot faster. And a little pro tip here is planners make killer upsales. If you sell a $7 checklist, for example, offer a $27 planner right after they buy. You'll be shocked at how many people grab both. The second digital product that I have for you today are ebooks. These are short, hyper specific guides that sell like crazy. Keep it focused, solve one problem. So, for example, 30 Instagram hooks that sell, or the 21-day gut resets, or a beginner's guide to homeschooling. Don't overcomplicate it. People would rather pay $27 for a super clear 20-page ebook than download a free 150-page novel they'll never read. Third on our list is checklists. Checklists are gold. Why? Because people don't want to think. They just want to check things off. And you can make them ridiculously fast in Canva. You can bundle them to make more money. Instead of one moving day checklist, you can do a pack with a packing list, a utility transfer checklist, address change list, because more perceived value equals higher price point. The fourth one in our list are journals. So options for a couple of journals that you can create are guided journals with prompts like 90-day business goal journal, or blank journals with a theme like travel memories journal. Now, if right now you're like, okay, this all sounds great, but I don't want to start from scratch. Inside my Digital Goldmine PLR membership, you literally get 5 to 7 done for you products every single month. This can include planners, journals, templates already made for you. You rebrand them, sell them, and keep 100% of the profit. And right now, you can get in as a founding member. And if you choose the yearly option, is even better. I'll leave the link in the description below. The fifth one in our list are swipe files, basically done for you words, and people love them. So, for example, 10 high converting sales page headlines, 30 days of Instagram captions for coaches, or 5 email sequences for digital product sellers. They just copy, paste, tweak, and boom, they're selling. This one is so simple and doesn't need any design skills. The sixth one in our list are AI prompt lists. This is one of my favorite low effort products right now. Most people have no idea what to type into ChatGPT or Midjourney to get the results they want. Prompts are the shortcut. So, for example, this could be 50 ChatGPT prompts for Etsy sellers, or 200 Midjourney prompts for cozy home decor, or AI prompts for writing 7 emails in an hour. You can format it nicely in Canva, slap on a cover, and done, it's ready to go. The seventh digital product on our list are email templates. Emails are the bane of most people's existence, which is why they'll happily pay you to write them so they never have to. So, for example, you can do welcome sequence for coaches or holiday sales series for product sellers or abandoned cart sequences for Shopify. These are high value because you're literally helping them make money. And again, another simple one that you literally need zero design skills. Now, the eighth digital product are printable lists. These are fast, easy, and people actually use them. So, for example, this could be weekly cleaning schedule or packing list for long flights with kids or grocery list for 5-day keto meal plan. Bundle 10 lists for $9 or $12 and you got a nice passive income stream. And as you can see, you can create digital products with zero design skills required. What matters is picking the right niche, solving a clear problem, and getting in front of the right people. If you want me to walk you through the exact process from idea to actual digital product to making your first sale, that's exactly what I teach inside my program. It's beginner friendly, lifetime access, and by the end, you'll have your first ready to sell product. I'll leave the link in the description below, and I believe there's just a couple of more spots for the code available, so check that out. And if you like this video, you want to see how I make over $59,000 per month with digital products, no website, no ads, then definitely check out this next video right here, and I'll see you there.